Samsung CRT TV ito guys. Ito yung problem niya guys. Wala siyang display. Yan guys, naka-antenna yan guys. Meron naman siyang sound pero walang picture. So dito guys yung repair natin guys. Dito yung may problem yan guys sa kanyang ABL. Ito guys, wait lang guys. Ayan, dito guys, itong pin na to guys, papunta yan dito sa resistor na ito. So ayan guys, check natin yan guys. So ayan guys, open pala yung resistor niyan guys, nasa 80 to 80k. So ayan guys, lagyan ko ng 100k guys. Yung kulay niyan guys ay brown, black, yellow na resistor, 1/2 watts. Ayan siya guys, yan. Walang supply yung ABL niyan guys, kaya wala siyang makitang picture. So yun guys, ititesting natin guys. Tignan natin kung magra-raster na siya. Yun guys, i-power on ko muna. Ayun guys, yan, nagka-raster na siya guys. So try natin mamaya guys, ikabitan ng antena. Yun guys, may guhitan sa taas guys kasi may problem yung yoke nito guys. Wala tayong pamalit. So yun guys, okay na siya guys. Yan lang yung problema niya guys, yung resistor. Thanks for watching.